Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my honest experience with the Yeedi M14 Plus, one of the smartest robot vacuum and mop combos available right now. It comes with advanced features like hot water mop washing, self-cleaning rollers, and an automatic emptying station. I went through real customer reviews, and after each one, I'll share my honest thoughts about it. Let's see if this vacuum really delivers on its promises. One customer noted that the Yeedi M14 Plus does an excellent job cleaning both carpets and hardwood floors. They liked how it automatically detects different surfaces and switches its cleaning mode accordingly. The docking station was another big plus because it empties the dustbin, refills water for mopping, and recharges itself all in one place. The app was easy to use, the mapping was detailed, and the battery lasted long enough to clean their entire apartment. That's exactly what makes the M14 Plus so convenient. It's fully automated and you barely need to lift a finger. For anyone who wants to set it up and forget about daily cleaning, this model is a great choice. Another reviewer said the mopping feature works way better than expected. The hot water wash at 167 degrees really sanitizes the floors instead of just pushing water around. They loved the large water tank that covers the whole floor without refilling and the auto dry function that prevents any bad smell from the mop pads. I completely agree. The hot water wash is a major step up from older robot mops. It's perfect for pet owners or families who care about deep hygiene. Someone who bought it during Amazon Prime Day said it was absolutely worth every penny. They mentioned strong suction, no hair tangles, quiet operation, and that it smartly avoids rugs while mopping. That's a real highlight. The anti-tangle brush system truly works. If you've got pets or long hair, this vacuum will save you a lot of time and frustration. Another customer praised the strong suction power and self-cleaning roller. They loved that the Yeedi M14 Plus uses hot water for washing and then dries automatically, leaving the floors spotless and odor-free. That's one of the best combinations you can get at this price. High suction, deep cleaning, and hygienic mopping with almost no effort. And one more user said it's powerful, quiet, and easy to use. They were happy with the long battery life, great Bluetooth connection, and simple app control. I think that perfectly sums up what this vacuum offers. A quiet, efficient, and low-maintenance cleaning experience. Overall, the Yeedi M14 Plus is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants spotless floors without spending time cleaning. With features like hot water mop washing, automatic self-cleaning, and strong suction, it's built for convenience and hygiene. If you're thinking about getting one, check the link in the description for the latest deal, because this one is definitely worth grabbing before it's gone.